age. Capital letter H. Small letter H. H says horse, ghoda. H says horse, ghoda. H says horse, ghoda. Age. Capital letter H. Small letter H. H says hand. H says hand. H says hand. Age. Capital letter H. Small letter H. H says house. H says house. H says house. Age. Capital letter H. Small letter H. Horse, ghoda. Hand. House, ghar. Horse, ghoda. Hand. House, ghar. Now we write. अब हम लिखते हैं. Capital letter H. 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 Small 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 letter H.